Hey guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a blurry frame for your videos or photos in CapCut. So here I already import clips, and if you guys want to know how you can add a blurred frame to your clips, you can just follow the steps. So first you need to go to canvas, and then here just click on the blur option and then select the intensity of the blur. I'm going to go with the last one, and here click on apply to all and click on a check icon, and now you can use both of your fingers to resize the clip so that the blurry frame will be visible. So just do it like this. You can see now there will be a blurry frame like this, so you can just manually resize the clip one by one like this to have the blurry frame. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.